Hey, what's up guys? So today we want to play with the mini truck. I went to AutoZone, picked up a battery for it, went down and got some fuel for it. We're gonna see if we can make this thing run. I mean, it's just sitting here in Gino's backyard doing nothing.
Okay, the secret yard.
Yeah, the secret yard. To hide my cars from my wife's yard. Like those ones right there I bought yesterday, and she doesn't know it yet. And Gene's not gonna tell anybody, right Gene?
Nope, no, secret safe for me, bud.
So yeah, we're gonna unload this heavy thing off the trailer and let's try to get it running. All right, come straight back. Straight back. Kick brake. Okay, well, she's unloaded. Gene's got a new battery. I'll go grab some fuel. We're gonna be peeling out in this thing in a minute, I feel like.
Oh, look at it.
Look at that, it even lines up.
I don't know how many gallons it holds. I can't imagine over 10. Are you winning, bud?
We were winning a little bit, bud.
Did it fit?
Straight up.
It did. I'm just trying to figure out a way for this so it doesn't sit on top and
Arc out.
arc on the seat like it was doing before. We'll tighten this structure.
Okay, battery's in. Dax has undone this intake. And we're gonna see if she'll turn over. See if she'll start. I hope it does, because when we bought it from the guy, it wouldn't even turn over. The solenoid was stuck. So we tapped the starter around, beat the starter up a little bit, and we got the starter to where it turns with a jump box, but it was barely. So hopefully we didn't waste money on a battery. Hopefully we didn't waste money on the whole project, because then I'm down money. Man, it's so weird looking still. I just can't get over how weird it is. This is how you close the hood. Not really a safe way to do this, is there? As far as like latch. Well, what do you think? What's the odds of it starting?
75-25.
The battery's not enough. Did they sell me a junk battery? Hey, the check engine light's on. I checked it, it's still there. Well, plan B, jump box. All right, we're thinking the starter is maybe sticking. I think we got a junk battery.
Steaming.
It's trying to smoke that starter. Well, we have this spare motor back here that came with the truck. There's a starter motor right there, so we're going to try to pull this starter motor out, replace it with the other one, and see if maybe that's the problem, because it's not wanting to turn over. That was all. Hopefully it's the same starter.
Hopefully. If not, it should have been.
Gee, different. Well, that's a wah, wah, wah. No, different starter.